Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SurveyMonkey account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add an image or a picture into your survey in SurveyMonkey? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an image into your survey anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a survey through SurveyMonkey, maybe some of your questions require a picture to describe what you're asking. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SurveyMonkey account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SurveyMonkey and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image into one of your surveys, what you're going to do is look for the survey you're going to add it to. You can see right here on the home page, I just have one survey. And what you're going to do is click on these three dots and then click on Edit Survey. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the survey that you've created in SurveyMonkey. And in order to add a picture, what you're going to do is here on the left side, click on Build. Once you do that, you're going to see a few different options for image choices. So for example, this one right here is image choice. So if you want to ask your users which image is better, or for example, this is a Mexican restaurant survey. So maybe I want to go ahead and say, do you like these nachos or do you like these nachos? You can choose this one. However, if you simply just want to add one image, what you can do is scroll down and then you're going to see this one right here, image. So this is just going to add a line with the image so that we can just insert a picture, which is what I'm going to use today. And all you're going to do is click on add next to image. Okay, a quick second later, you can see it adds in. For this particular image, I added it under question number 3. So don't worry, we can go ahead and move that around. So first off, what you want to do is go ahead and label the image if you want to. Okay, so I labeled the image and then I'm going to go ahead and upload an image from my computer. Okay, now I'm going to choose an image from my computer. Okay, it just uploaded the image right here. And then next what you want to do is once you have the image, you want to go ahead and click on save down here on the bottom right. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show the image. You can see this image right here. And what we can do is we can go ahead and move this image. So for example, this is after question number 3, as we saw right here. Now, maybe I want it below question 1. What you're going to do is once you click on the image, you're going to see this and click on move. Okay, once you click on move, you want to go ahead and choose which page if you have multiple pages in your survey. So I'll choose page 1 and then you want it before or after a page. So for me, I want it after, and then we want it after question number 1. So how often do you visit our restaurant? Right. So now what you want to do is go ahead and click on move question. Okay, now you can see my SurveyMonkey survey. I have question number 1 and then we have an image and then it moves on to question number 2. So you're not quite done adding a picture into your survey until you click on preview survey. Okay, so here is what the survey is going to look like, as you can see right here. So same thing, question 1, picture, question number 2, and then click on continue. Okay, now it brings me here so I can go ahead and copy the link to my survey that's been updated with a new photo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an image or a photo into your SurveyMonkey survey, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.